Hello everybody, this is Pietro from Trading Kitchen, and today I would like to take a look to Bitcoin together with you, just because on the daily time frame something quite interesting is the market is providing to us. In fact, after a very strong uptrend, we just now have a retracement in the last 2 days, okay? And today, another retracement to the up, okay? If we go on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see, if we draw a Fibonacci from the high to the low, what we can see is that today price retrace correctly the 382 of Fibonacci, which is a very important level together with the 1618. So what we can do now, probably we can enter on a short here with the stop loss just 2 pips, few points above the 786 of Fibonacci, and TP with risk to reward 2, which is here just before the 618 of Fibonacci of this mirror impulse. Okay, so the mirror Fibonacci retracement of this impulse, or what we can do better, maybe we can wait. We can wait for the price to retest this quite interesting structure. The price already tested here, then here again, then here again, here, and then price now retested correctly this structure. Okay, so we can go short now, or we can wait for the price to retest this structure itself. Another thing that we can do now is just wait for the price to retest this kind of structure, which is not so clear because this is not a pin bar. But anyway, here we have a very big impulse generated after this candle, so we can take this for good. So if you want to be just a little bit safer, you can take a short here with stop loss always the same, and risk to reward here you can go also 1.3, okay, or 2.8, which is exactly this support. Okay. Another option, if you follow my strategy, you will be able to identify the right filters and triggers to enter correctly the market and avoid the most of the times fake signals. I really hope you liked this video, and I would like to know what do you think about this analysis. So please use the comment section below this video to give me your point of view. Okay, thank you.